Hi there mga beloved ko soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Andito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful na meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lang po sa inyo lagi ng pangalan sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Nag-shoutout po sa lahat ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas sa sabihin mundo na laging nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ating po reading ay pagsasamahan ay reading po para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Taurus. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Takes what only resonate. Sige, I hope you're doing good po. Kamusta po kayo lahat? I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po, ayaw po kayo mahiyang mag-subscribe, mag-like, comment, and share. At kapag napapanood nyo po ito sa ating TikTok account, please do follow also. And so, Tarot 444. And if you want to avail a personal reading, send lang po kayo ng message sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Tarot 444. And paalala po, ay hindi po kayo una mag-chat po sa inyo para mag-offer ng personal reading. May mga messages po tayong natanggap na may mga poster po nang gagaya po ng ating account. And may mga scammers po nag-re-upload ng videos natin. Doble ingat po kayo. Ulitin ko po, hindi po ako ang unang mag-send sa inyo ng message. Kayo po mag-message po sa akin at pag-usapan po natin kung paano kayo makakapag-book ng personal reading ko. Sige, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Kunin na natin, Taurus, ang iyong 10 barahan. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, 10 cards please for Taurus. Oops, ang dami naman ito. Sige. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala sa pagmamahal. Ulitin ko po, utang na loob po sa inyo simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi nyo po ko iniiwan. Thank you so much po sa ating mga OFWs na across the globe. Buong mundo po ay lagi nagko-comment, lagi nanonood, loyal po sa atin. Thank you so much po. Kung wala po kayo, ang aking mga nanonood, avid subscribers ay wala pong success ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Okay, Taurus, your 10 cards are now ready. Huwag na natin pang patagalin ito. Okay. For your April 2026 reading, yung una mong baraha, Taurus, is Hermit card. It seems that sa April 2026, Taurus, expect clarity. Okay? Clarity, kaliwanagan. Siguro kung lately, medyo malabo pa ang lahat para sa inyo. Medyo naguguluhan pa kayo sa mga desisyon na gagawin. Kung alin ba talaga, alin ang unahin mo, gagawin mo ba ito, darating pa ba ito, or you have a lot of questions running on your mind na kumbaga, feeling mo uncertain ang lahat ng bagay ng mga ginagawa mo lately. But April 2026 with the Hermit card, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. There will be clarity. Magiging malinaw ang lahat para sa iyo. At unti-unti mo makikita yung mga signs, yung mga sagot ng mga katanungan na tumatakbo sa isip mo na lately ay gumugulo. Okay? Gumugulo ito sa iyo. Or kumbaga, it keeps on distracting you whether all of these things na ginagawa mo ay parating. But here with the Hermit card, so expect clarity by April, Taurus. Okay? So, pangalawa, Page of Swords. Okay, so Page of Swords sa April 2026, Taurus, you are advised by the universe na ipakita mo yung assertiveness mo. Be honest, express your feelings. Be honest what you feel. Isabihin mo yung totoo na nararamdaman mo. Huwag mo itong ikimkim or itago. Okay? You don't need to apologize or to explain yourself to other people. Okay, kung feeling mo dyan ka masaya, kung feeling mo yan talaga yung gusto mo, then gawin mo. Okay, kasi lately, all of your life, you spend it, kumbaga, explaining your side to other people. But now, hindi mo na kailangan explain ang sarili mo. Hindi mo na kailangan ng validation or ng opinion ng ibang tao para gumawa ng isang bagay. Lalo na kung ito talaga yung gusto mo. Ito talaga yung path na tinatahak mo. This is what you're dreaming for. This is your dream job. This is your dream business. So maybe weird man siya o kumbaga hindi man siya katulad ng normal na sa karamihan, but still, as long as you know that wala ka natatapa ka ibang tao, you need to show that kaya ko naman. I am independent. I have freedom to do it. Okay? Pakita mo. You don't need to ask validation from other people, Taurus. Pangatlo, Chariot. Movement, elevation. So by April 2026, if you become honest with yourself, at ipakita mo talaga na ito yung gusto ko, ito talagang, dito ko magaling, ito yung love na love kong gawin. Of course, that's where you belong. With the Chariot card, Taurus, yan yung makakatulong sa'yo para mag-move forward, to accelerate your position. Kung dati stagnant, medyo matumal, medyo mabagal, it's because naka-stuck sa isang sitwasyon na hindi mo naman gusto or hindi ka masaya. But with this Chariot card, believe me, Okay? Kapag pinili mo yung gusto mo, pag sinunod mong puso mo at isipan mo kung saan ka talaga masaya, by April 2026, magugulat ka. Tuloy-tuloy yung growth, tuloy-tuloy yung pagpasok ng blessings. Every chart card, lately, kung may promotion ka na na inaasikaso kasi gusto mo talaga ma-promote or you want to move to other job, you are planning to move overseas, lumipat ng bahay, mag-abroad or whatever, kumbaga mag-business kasi ito yung gusto mo talaga, then expect a good result. Not every chariot card. Movement, elevation. So, ba't pa kailangan mangamba? Okay, Taurus? So, ito, napakalino ng mga cards natin. Pang-apat, justice. Okay? So, hindi man over time na makita mo yung resulta nito, but as long as gumawa ka ng action, sinimulan mo, and that's already enough. Taurus. Okay? You did your best. You show what you got. Pinakita mo. You being honest with your intentions, malinis ang puso mo kung ano ba talaga ang hangarin mo, ba't mo ginawa at gusto mo yan. And of course, you know it, you're doing it for yourself and not for other people. Every justice card, expect growth. Okay, one step at a time, slow man ito or hindi man ito biglaan yung malakihan, but at least later on, and how many months and after years, makikita mo yung growth ang magiging bunga nito. But at least medyo mabagal man, but you know that ito talaga yung gusto mo. This is where you're aligned. This is what you wanted. This is your dream. Taurus. So do it. Okay? So pagpatuloy man, April 2026, hindi man maging, kumbaga kasing bunga ang lahat. Base man, hindi man mapantayan yung pagod mo o kung ano man ang in-expect mong bunga, but at least there's an improvement. And ang napaka-importante dito, yan yung gusto mo. Hindi ka napipilitan. Okay? Fifth card mo, ito, may celebration. Three of Cups. Sabi ko kasi later on, in the upcoming years and months, magbubunga din ang lahat. Makikita mo, magsa-celebrate ka. Masasabi mo na at least, buti na lang nilaban ko. Buti na lang hindi ako sumuko. Buti na lang hindi ako nakinig sa mga sinasabi ng ibang tao sa paligid. This is what you wanted. If that's what you love, then go for it. Fight for it, Taurus. Because there's a celebration card here. The Three of Cups signifies that you will be so happy later on. Okay? So, play mo na ito. There will be a big celebration in the upcoming months and years for you. Taurus. Before we proceed to our 5 cards, last 5 cards sa ating second row, ulitin ko po, please do subscribe. Malapit na po tayong mag 90k sa YouTube. And of course, kapag napapanood niyo po ito sa ating TikTok account, please follow rin po. And of course, if you want to avail a personal reading, paki-chat na lang po ako. Hindi po ako yung unang chat sa inyo, ha? May mga scammer po tayo dyan, may mga maloloko, doble ingat po. Nanggagaya po nating TikTok account, nag-re-upload ang videos ko. Please be extra careful. Let's continue this very beautiful reading mo para sa April 2026 Taurus with your 6 card. Nasisilip ko ng napakagandang Sun. Eto, hope, pag-asa, good news, good result. Tingnan mo, ha? Chariot, Three of Cups, celebration. At nandito pa ang magandang balita. New beginning, blessings, good result for you. So, Taurus, ano pang hilingin mo? The cards are very clear. Okay? You are on the right track. Basta sundin mo lang kung ano talaga nasa puso mo. If you know that that's what you really wanted. Okay? Hindi pwedeng manggagaling sa ibang tao. Hindi pwedeng manggagaling sa kung kanino man ang desisyon na gagawin mo. Ulit-ulit ko sasabihin sa yan. You do what you really wanted in your life. Sige. Hangman. O, tingnan mo. Stagnancy. Ito lately. Ito yung sinasabi ko dati. Pag by April 2026, if you show your being honest yourself, if you show your assertiveness, hindi ka na magpapa-apekto sa ibang tao, hindi ka na magpapa-manipulate, magpapa-abuso, hindi mo na kailangan ng humingi ng advice ng ibang tao, susundin mo ang sarili mong desisyon, then this stagnance is over. Ito yung ito yung nakaraan, kaya ka mabagal kumilos, mabagal yung growth mo, mabagal yung pasok mo, feeling mo ay nakatenga ka, naka-stuck ka eh. It's because all of your thoughts, all of your advices and your opinions ay hinihingi mo lagi sa ibang tao. Hindi ka makausap, it's because kahit may gagawin ka, iisipin mo, ay baka masaktan si baka magalit sa akin pag ginawa ka to o ganito. That's what keep you stuck for a long time, Taurus. Kasi nasabi ko sa'yo with the Chariot card and with the Page of Swords, you need to show. You need to be honest. Express yourself. Express what you believe. Okay? Tama na. Tama ng pag-ask ng validation from other people, Taurus. Pangwala mong baraha, Seven of Pentacles. If lately, if you're worrying about your finances, kung madadagdagan ba ito, makakaipon ka, masusolve ang problema mo, kung may utang ka, it's all about money, then with the Chariot card, by April 2026, there's a resolution about that. May mga tulong na parating. Masusolve mo, mamabayaran mo, makakaipon ka. That's why you don't need to worry. Sabi ko nga, Taurus, you just need to focus on your goal. Everything, lahat ng yan, ibibigay na lang sa'yo eh. Sa'yo na lang, basta nakafocus ka, pero kung madidistract ka, of course, you will be going to a lot of ways. And dyan, mawawala yung focus mo. And even yung goal mo dito na tungkol sa kaperahan, papaliwala ka din. Hindi mo ma-achieve. Okay? So, it's parang domino effect na parang biglang babagsak ang lahat kapag may isang bagay lang na kumbaga na-distract ka. So, with the Chariot card, you're expected. You are guaranteed by April 2026, Taurus, that it is a bountiful month for you. A prosperous month for you. Claim it. Okay? Pang-siya mong baraha with the Five of Swords and Reverse for a long time. Okay, for a long time, parang, kumbaga, naipit kasi sa sitwasyon na talagang na-compromise ang happiness mo. Siguro may nagawa ka isang bagay, naipit kasi sa sitwasyon na parang sineryoso mo na talaga, kumbaga, hindi ka, kumbaga, napektuhan ka todo-todo to the point na parang kahit yung tiwala mo sa ibang tao ay nawala. It's because siguro betrayal, pagka-traidor, lahat-lahat ay naranasan mo. And this is katapat ay justice. Kung may ilan sa inyo siguro mga Taurus na na-involve sa conflict, may kinasuhan, or kayo yung kumaso, nagpabarangay, may kung ano man, so involved in any legal cases. So, with the Five of Swords, I can see her movement. Okay, there's a resolution. May solution. In the soonest time, by April 2026, I can see her clarity. Basta magkakaroon ng kumbaga what is this? Resolution, kumbaga solusyon, or kaliwanagan ang lahat. And you will be moving forward. Although masakit yung mga pinagdaanan mo, yan yung mga swords, but still, you need to move on. You need to move forward. Wala kang choice. You need to start again from the scratch. And the good thing here is matututunan mo na. Marami kang lessons na dala-dala. Marami kang iiwan ng mga masasamang experiences at the same time, dalhin mo na lang kung ano mga lesson na tutunan mo sa ibang tao, kung sino mga dapat mong pagkatiwalaan, kumbaga ano ba yung mga dapat mo nang hindi gawin and gawin in the present, Taurus. Okay? That and last card. Tapusin natin itong April 2026 mo with the Two of Pentacles. I can see her help. May tulong na parating sa'yo kung kinakailangan nyo ng tulong. By April 2026, may solusyon. Okay, may choices, may options kang nakikita dito. May celebration card dito. Talagang magkasunod kayong justice at celebration card. Sinasabi ko nga sa inyo kung may mga tao dito, kung may mga Taurus dito na parang nag-iantay ng resulta ng tungkol sa kaso or agawa ng lupa, property, kumbaga any kind of mga nasa korte or kumbaga nasa barangay. So magkasunod sila, justice and Three of Cups celebration. Talagang mapapanalunan nyo to or masosolve nyo itong problema na to. And with that 10th and last card mo na Two of Pentacles, sabi ko may tulong, may options kang darating para sa'yo, may pagpipilian ka. After all the problems, the painful experiences na pinagdaanan mo lately, still here, makikita mo na meron pa rin mga tao, kung akala mo tinalikuran ka na ng mundo, but makikita mo there's still people na darating para sa'yo para tulungan ka at bigyan ka muli ng panibagong chance. Okay? So Taurus, this is a very beautiful reading. I hope and I pray na marami nasa sa'yo ng Taurus na makapanood to ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much sa tiwala. So, laging panonood sa inyong pag-subscribe at pag-follow. Thank you so much. Nasa mga kayo naroon, mag-iingat kayo lagi and God bless us all.